means that even on the floor of the House, the members of Parliament of Jubilee are still part and parcel of the coalition called Azimio. And therefore our position on the floor of the House will be as per what was discussed yesterday in the Azimio PG. That is the position that we'll be presenting. And the issue of cost of living, we will raise it also on the floor of the House. And therefore the members of Parliament of Jubilee as well, we shall be following what the coalition of Azimio says. Also, it's our position, because we believe the issue of parastatals being sold is going to come on the floor. We are also opposed to it because we believe some of these parastatals are key assets owned by the people of Kenya. So our position as Azimio and as Jubilee as well is that we will be opposing the sale of these assets such as Kicc, Kenya Pipeline. Let me reiterate that point again, that our standing orders do not anticipate the position of you being in a coalition and being an independent party. You cannot have both ways. So far, that ruling just needs to be read again. And anybody who reads it will understand that that ruling cannot remove Jubilee from Azimio. So our position on the floor will be as per directed by Azimio. I think that's all I want to say.
I want to support Honorable Mwenje. In Kirinyaga, I'm the chairman of Jubilee in Kirinyaga. Now, sisi we are affected. Where rice mill, they want to sell it. And tunasema watu wa Kirinyaga, and we have refused. Watu wa Kirinyaga wawezi kubali. Where rice mill imekuwa huko. Na mimi nataka kuuliza hii serikali ya Ruto. Moi alikuwa president. Hakuuza parastatos. Kibaki hakuuza parastatos. Uhuru hakuuza parastatos. Why you, Ruto? Kama serikali haina pesa, sema 1 year only utauza kila kitu, hata manyumba yetu. Kwa sababu kama we unataka kuuza Mwea Rice Mill, wamenituma kama chairman wa Jubilee. Mwea Rice Mill tutafanya demonstration. In Kirinyaga, Mwea Rice Mill tuko na 45% shares. Serikali iko na 50%. How can you sit down in Nairobi? Nyinyi wabunge, mimi ni support Mwenje. Sapadhari wale wabunge, hata kama ni wa Jubilee wale wamepotea njia. I'm going to tell them to resign, warudi kwa watu. Na kama mnataka kuuza Mwea Rice Mill, I will organize demonstration na nyinyi mtaona Kirinyaga ni Jubilee. Uko ground imepandilika. Msifikirie ni vile mlikuja mkadanganya watu. Sasa watu wamechoka and they are not ready to sell Mwea Rice Mill. Hata Kenya Pipeline mkiuza mnataka control petroli. Na petrol iko juu, tunataka irudi nyuma.